Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. Today's market update has some exciting news brewing in the crypto space. Bitcoin still holds the top spot in the cryptocurrency market, with altcoins trailing behind. However, recent indicators suggest that Bitcoin dominance could be on its way out soon. Our Altcoin Season Index versus Bitcoin chart shows that established altcoins like Ethereum have seen poor performance compared to Bitcoin, but there's a glimmer of hope for those looking for an altcoin season. Now, let's dive deeper into this story. A key metric that shows Bitcoin is still leading the pack is the Bitcoin versus Altcoin Positioning Index. This chart indicates that when Bitcoin prices are moving sideways or consolidating, it's the perfect opportunity for altcoins to rise and catch up with BTC. And we've seen this play out before in history. But what's driving this potential shift? For one, investors who own Bitcoin for more than a month have just hit their cost basis, and that's led to reduced sell pressure. This could lead to further upward price movements for Bitcoin. But here's the thing. Bitcoin's price is closely tied to global liquidity, particularly M2 liquidity. When we see growth in global liquidity, it's no surprise that Bitcoin prices appreciate. And let's take a look at our cost basis ribbon. As you can see, investors who own Bitcoin for over a month are now back in profit, which means they're less likely to sell their coins, thus reducing pressure on the market. However, the big question is, what does this mean for an altcoin season? Right now, we have a high Altcoin Season Index score of 19. For an altcoin season to occur, at least 75% of the top 100 coins would need to outperform Bitcoin. While our index continues to rise at a slow pace, it's still early days. So, what's next for the crypto market? The Bitcoin versus altcoin positioning metric is pointing towards a shift in momentum on the horizon. When we see this happen, altcoins could start to take over. And let me tell you, we've seen this play out before when Bitcoin prices stabilize or enter consolidation phases. So, are we due for an altcoin season? The answer remains unclear, but one thing is certain: we'll be keeping a close eye on the market and bringing you all the latest updates from Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay ahead of the curve and stay informed with us.